You're rolling. Rolling.
Hey, it's Randy. All right. We finished up the back end today. Front end we got yesterday. We went ahead and done around the door, all the gaskets, and got it airtight.
And one of the bad things, this company didn't do any instructions.
No, even their instructions ain't.
Yeah, their instructions were really bad.
But
go ahead
done
and...
that good. Up at the corners it needs some caulk, like some green caulk.
Right.
But other than that, everything turned out really good.
And I know someone out there that's watching this that installs metal doors going, why'd you do it this way? Well, you know what? This was the only way we could figure out how to...
we figured out how to do it.
So...
But these right here worked out good. And the one up top, I mean, it sealed it up. There's no air won't be able to go up.
Right. You guys shut that other big door?
Yes.
We still gotta put the trim on around this big door, and
Yeah, we'll do that next week. We'll be done by next week.
as far as
2 or 3 days next week, we'll have all the trim and it'll be sealed up.
right, you'll still need electric and insulation. Next week we're going to come back and do the overhangs on each side. And we still got to do the trim work around the door, don't we?
Yeah, can you slide that lat?
No, I will. Okay. But also, I think we got shorted a couple pieces of trim work. So, the green, yeah, one of the two, either Randy shorted, yeah. But we got this back done. So all closed in, all the soffits all closed in. So nothing can fly in or squeeze through. We'll still have to, even when we come back and do each side, we'll still have to work on this corner right here, on these corners. But it is coming right along. I tell you, a metal building, I mean, they're nice. They're just different. It's a different monster when you're dealing with a metal building, because wood is forgiving. Metal buildings are not forgiving, are they, dear?
That looks good. And you can come in here and see. Look at that door, how dark it is around the edges.
Right.
Put the trim on there. Now look at this one. You can see daylight through the edges.
Not too bad.
No,
yeah.
but that's what that trim on the outside does.
But like where every little divot or every little groove.
Yeah, which when we get the outside trim on there, it'll seal it up. Yeah. Before there's light coming in above, where we got that trim, there's no light coming in above now.
Cool.
Cool.
All right.
That'll be my last roll-up door.
Yeah. These are a pain in the ass, but they're a pain in the butt.
I mean, it seals up nice. I mean, I've always just done sliders.
Right.
There's less to go wrong.
Yeah. These, I mean, when they're off track, they are off track. And
if a spring breaks in them.
yeah. Okay. Well, honey, I'm going to let you lock it up. Sun's going down. Got a little bit of daylight left. By the time we get home, it's going to be dark. But get home, time to build a fire and maybe stick a pizza in the oven.
Yep.
So,
But we're getting her locked up now.
yep.
Yeah, I like it, trim. That just,
The trim sets it off. We still need to do around the door, don't we?
no.
Oh, I thought the door had
That's
trim.
painted. That's wood right there.
Oh, okay.
And I'm not folding metal around all that.
Alrighty. Well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any comments and suggestions, we love hearing from you. As always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.